Chapter 6. Write with WordPad. WordPad is a Microsoft Windows program that helps you create documents such as letters, notes and reports. It lets you perform a range of tasks, create, open and save documents, format documents, that is, change the size and style of print, the look of a page, etc. Insert dates, pictures and hyperlinks. View a document. Change page margins. Print documents. FactGPT. WordPad was launched by Microsoft along with Windows 95. Features of WordPad. It is an easy tool for doing simple tasks. It helps in creating the documents which include graphics and various text formatting options into it. It is also a text editor which is included with the Windows operating system. It helps in saving the text. It includes the formatting options like italic, bold, underline, etc. It is a good choice for writing papers or creating documents that you want to print, as it supports the bullets into it, which is helpful for making lists. Starting WordPad. Let's start the WordPad. Step 1. Click on the search button. Step 2. Click on all apps. Step 3. Scroll through the app list until you reach WordPad and click on the icon. You can also type in search bar. The name, WordPad, will appear with a logo. The WordPad window will appear on the screen. Components of WordPad window. Let's learn about the main components of WordPad. Title bar. The bar at the very top is called the title bar. Once you save your document, the file name appears on the title bar and it replaces the word document. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is located to the right of the toolbar. It gives you quick access to commonly used commands such as save, undo, redo, etc. When you click the drop-down arrow next to the toolbar, it offers more commands. Control buttons. On the right-hand side of the title bar, there are three important control buttons: minimize, maximize, restore, and close buttons. File menu. It displays commands and options such as save, save as, print, etc. in drop-down menu. Ribbon. A ribbon is a command bar that organizes a program's features into a series of tabs at the top of a window. There are two tabs on the ribbon, Home and View. Document area. This is where you will now type your document, the white plain area. Status bar. At the very bottom, there is the status bar. It is a notification area that shows the document's information being edited and some status of your computer. FactGPT. You can also use the title bar to identify the program you have opened. Entering text in WordPad. Let's learn to enter the text in the WordPad. Step 1. When you open the WordPad, you will see a blinking cursor on the document area. When you will start typing, it will move to the right side. Step 2. Go to the font group and click the down arrow of the font family button. A list of various fonts will appear. Step 3. Select the desired font style. Step 4. In a similar way, you can choose the font size and font color. Step 5. Now, start typing in the document area. Making text bold, italic and underline. Being able to change the style of the font can make your document more interesting. Different styles of text such as bold or italics can make text stand out. Underlining can be useful for headings. Let's learn to make text bold, italic and underline. Step 1. Select the text that you wish to edit or change the formatting. Step 2. To change the selected font to bold, click B in the formatting ribbon at the top of the document. Step 3. To change the selected font to italic, click I in the formatting ribbon at the top of the document. Step 4. To change the selected font to underline, click U in the formatting ribbon at the top of the document. The text is changed now as per your action. Fact GPT. You can use the keyboard to change text quickly. Bold, select the text, then press Ctrl plus B. Italic, select the text, then press Ctrl plus I. Underline, select the text, then press Ctrl plus U. Test your knowledge. Open WordPad and type the names of your 4 favorite cars. Then select the text to make it bold, italic and underline. Using alignment. Alignment is how text flows in relation to the rest of the page, or column, table, cell, text box, etc. There are 4 main alignments: left, right, center and justified. Left-aligned text is the text that is aligned with a left edge. Right-aligned text is the text that is aligned with a right edge. Centered text is the text that is centered between 2 edges. Justification controls the spacing between words. A justified text increases the space between words to fill the entire line so that it is aligned with both the left and right edges. Let's learn to align the text. Step 1. Bring your cursor to the paragraph that you want to align. Step 2. Then click on the left align, right align, centered or justify buttons. The text will be aligned. Saving the document. You can save a document at any moment while typing it, and saving every few minutes is a recommended practice. You won't lose what you've typed if your computer crashes before you finish your work. Let's learn to save the document. Step 1. Click the File menu in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Step 2. From the menu, choose Save. The Save As dialog box will appear. At the top and at the left-hand side in the list of folder options, it will show the folder where you'll be saving the document. Step 3. Type the name of your document in the file name box. Step 4. Now, click on Save. Your document will now have a name which will be shown at the very top of your document screen. Fact GPT. Shortcut key to save a document, Ctrl plus S. Fact GPT. The document can be saved as .txt and .rtf, rich text format, file both. Printing the document. To print a document, your computer needs to be connected to a printer. Let's learn to print a document. Step 1. Click on the File menu in the top left-hand corner of your document. Step 2. Then, click on Print. This will bring up the Print dialog box. Step 3. Choose for the number of copies of your document you need. You will have to have your printer already installed on your computer. Closing WordPad. After completing your work in WordPad, you should save your work and after that close the WordPad program. There are 2 methods to close the WordPad program. Method 1. by clicking the Close button from the top right-hand side of the WordPad window. Method 2. By clicking the Exit option from the WordPad file menu. Recapitulate. WordPad is used to create, open and save documents. You can use WordPad to format and print text document. Different styles of text such as bold or italics can make text stand out. Alignment is how text flows in relation to the rest of the page. You can save a document at any moment while typing it. Gloss GPT. Hyperlinks, highlighted text on a page that links that page to another one. Notification, to make one aware of something.